During the winter, the Arctic is dark almost 24 hours a day. Chapter 2, Arctic Seasons. The Arctic is an area near the Earth's North Pole. If you visit the Arctic in winter, you'll see a dark, windswept landscape with no plants visible and a few hardy animals searching for food in the snow. If you visit the same spot in summer, it's completely transformed. Low plants bloom everywhere. Big herds of grazing animals feast on the plants, and wolves lurk around the edges of herds, hoping to feast themselves. The air is alive with insects and birds. What causes this transformation? Because of the way the Earth tilts in its orbit around the Sun, the North Pole points toward the Sun in the summer and away from the Sun in the winter. This means that the North Pole is in darkness 24 hours a day during the winter. For months, the sun is never seen. However, during the summer, the North Pole is in the sunlight 24 hours a day. For months, the sun never sets. During the summer, the sun shines on the Arctic almost 24 hours a day. Because of the way the Earth tilts, the Arctic is pointed toward the sun in the summer and away from the sun in the winter. All that sunlight fuels a boom in photosynthesis. Plants and other producers take in water from melted snow and carbon dioxide from the air. Using energy from the sunlight, they transform the water and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose, a type of energy storage molecule. This transformation happens through the process of photosynthesis. Because the sun never sets in the summer, Arctic plants can photosynthesize 24 hours a day, constantly producing energy storage molecules that are stored in their bodies, available for animals to eat. The plant-eating animals that live in the Arctic time their reproduction so their offspring are born at just the right time to take advantage of this bounty of plants and energy storage molecules. As the animals digest plants, they use carbon and glucose to make other energy storage molecules, like fat, which can be stored for times when there is less food. Arctic predators also time their reproduction to the season, having offspring just when lots of food is available for them in the form of other young animals. Reproduction leads to a population boom for the year-round residents of the Arctic. However, that's not the only reason there are more animals in the Arctic in the summer. Birds and many other animals migrate to the Arctic in the summer to feast and reproduce. When the summer ends, they go away to sunnier areas. As summer ends and sunlight dies away, the plants stop photosynthesizing and lie dormant. Many plants survive the winter as seeds. Only a few animals remain. Some hide themselves away and hibernate through the long winter, not eating at all and using as little energy as possible. Darkness descends, and the Arctic once more becomes a relatively lifeless winter landscape. Plenty of sunlight allows mosses and other plants to grow during the Arctic summer. In summer, caribou eat grasses and mosses found in the Arctic. Arctic foxes have to scrounge for food during winter.